Horn, lights, high beams. Both blinkers are working. Wipers. License plate lights, blinkers, brake lights, backup lights. We'll put the top down. All the rails, frame rails, everything on it are fantastic condition. Carpets are fantastic. Pictures made them look a little discolored, but they're not. Everything's like brand new right out of the box. Turn the compressor on. AC blows cold in this 134A. We'll rev it up a bit, Tim. We'll put the top up for us. Frame off, rotisserie restored. Same owner for the last 47 years. Don't find them like that very often. One of the nicest 64 Chevelle Malibu SS convertibles I've ever seen. Don't fault it for the color.